Hello everyone, myself Saurav Mandal and this is task number 3, Exploratory Data Analysis Retail. In this task, we are provided with a dataset of sample superstore which have 3 columns and 9994 entries. From now, this given data, our task is we have to find out the weak areas where we can make more profit and also what all business problems were there according to the data. I have done this task in Tableau and this is my dashboard. Now let me interpret the dashboard. Now let us see each of the elements individually. This one indicates overall profit and loss by region. So we can see that the size of the rectangle here depends on the sales amount. So we can see that the west region has the most sales of 725,000. While the east region has, where is the east? There it is, 678,000, and the central region with 501,000, while the south has only 391,000 sales. Here the shade of the green color depicts the profit. So we can see that the west has more profit, which is 108,000, and then east with 91,000, followed by south as 46,000, then central region has only 39,000 in profit. So as a business manager, we will look into the central region which has least profit. But we shall not make any conclusion so early in the analysis and look for more insights from the other columns as well. Now let us go to the map here, which displays the sales and profit by states. So here the size of circles representing sales. So here we can see that California has 457,000 in sales, while New York has 310,000 in sales, and Texas has only 170,000 in sales. The color of this circle represents the profit or loss. Green circles represents the profit, while the red circle represents the loss. As we can see, Texas has loss, while California is showing a profit of 776,000. We can see most sales and profit is shown by California and even New York, while Texas showing the maximum loss amount. We'll look deeper into it later. Now let us go to all elements once. Now, so in ship mode and segment, we have the same rules that the size depicts the sales. We can see that the standard class sales, then second class sales, then first class sales, then comes the same day ship mode. While the color depicts the profit, so we can clearly say that the standard class is giving most of the profit. And similarly in segment, we can see that the consumer segment gives most of the sales and profit. Now let us see the sales and profit by category. We can see that in this graph, the orange bar representing the sales amount. So we can see that the sales in technology is 836,000, then furniture is 742,000, then office supplies is 719,000. But the blue dots are representing the profits. So we can see that the profit of technology and office supplies are quite high, while in case of furniture it is quite low. So The furniture category is a problematic category and we have to pay attention on it. As we can see in subcategory graph also, technology, one minute, technology is performing well for all of its subcategories. Office supplies is also performing quite well uh, for most of it, apart from just a few low profits and one loss. But when we look into furniture, we can see 2 out of 4 categories are giving loss. So this is something we are interested to investigate. Now let us dive into a bit deeper into our analysis and inspect the performance region wise. Now we have customized the graph according to West region. So we can see that, yes. So we can see that technology has different profit as overall profit from technology. And as we can see, it is due to less loss from machine subcategory. And so we will try to find out the reason for it now. Let us go to the central region now. In central region, we can see that only of only office sub only technology is performing good, while office of the overall profit rate of office supplies is got decreased, and the furniture is actually in loss. So now in subcategory, we can see that among out of 4 features or subcategories of furniture, 3 are actually in loss and only chairs were giving the profit. While in case of office supplies, 3 categories, binders, appliances and supplies were going for a loss, and in technology, machines is giving the loss. Now let us check for the East region. Now in East region we can see that technology is doing good, office supplies is also good and it's performing well actually. And for furniture the loss is pretty low. Now for subcategory here, the 2 subcategories of furniture, that is tables and bookcases, were in loss. One of the subcategories of office supplies, that is supplies, are actually in loss, and the technology is giving a pretty good result here. Now let us see the south region. Now for south region, we can see that technology is performing good, office supplies is excellent, and the furniture is performing quite low again. uh, as in subcategory we can see that tables here is a bit to concern again. Here in south region, machines is a bit concerning us. Otherwise it is all good, but we can see that technology is performing quite well in every region, but only in some cases machines were actually giving us loss. So as a business manager, our preference should be in machine category and to check whether or why it is doing such a performance.